make a plant-based cheese sauce. And we're gonna be using a cup of boiled potatoes. We got a little bit of lemon juice. I got about a tablespoon of pickled jalapeno juice. And we got our seasonings here. 4 cloves of garlic. We got a couple fresh chilies that we did a quick pickle on. 3/4 a cup of raw cashews that we soaked overnight. A cup of vegetable broth. And I got some soy milk here just in case I need to thin it out. I'm going to be using a stick mixer just to make sure that this all smooths out nicely. See, it's starting to get pretty thick. I'm going to add a little bit of this milk to thin it out a bit. Get a nice smoother blend. Whole cup of milk to it. Oh wow, that actually tastes like cheese sauce. That's pretty good. And add well, most of it. I want it to be nice and smooth. Nice creamy cheese sauce. And it tastes like one too. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and put this in a pot and heat it up. Alright, we got our pot. I put it on about a medium-low heat. I'm gonna go ahead and pour in our cheese sauce. Look at that. It looks pretty dang good, guys. Nice and creamy. You can add tapioca starch to this for a more cheesier looking texture, but I do not have any, so we're going no starch. Alright, we're gonna let this heat up. Alright, we're gonna heat this up till it's nice and warm. I don't know how this heats, but I'm going to keep stirring the bottom of it just in case. I don't want it to get scorched. And we're going to blend it again whenever it's nice and hot. Alright, we're starting to get a little bit of heat on there. You can see the steam. I'm going to go ahead and blend it again. Just want to blend it until it has a nice smooth texture. Needs to get a little bit more hot. Alright, so this is almost ready. I've blended it 2 or 3 times. I want actually a little bit more of a cheesy flavor, so I'm going to add some more of this nutritional yeast to it. I don't want to add any more salt or anything. I think this will do the trick. But I mean, look at the texture. It's pretty cool. Never made cheese sauce with potatoes and nuts before, but I like it. Alright, let's see. Yep, that did the trick. Alright. We are going to top our homemade chips that we cooked off and seasoned earlier with this. Fresh jacks as always. Right over the top here. Looks like cheese sauce, guys. I'm going to garnish with our jalapenos and diced tomatoes. And look at that. Doesn't that look good? You can even squeeze your lime on there. Ha! Plant-based nachos, you guys. Alright, let's see. They're really good. And there you have it, guys. We just did a plant-based nacho. The recipe will be in the description. If you like what you see and you want to see more of stuff that we're learning, then please subscribe and hit the bell so you get notifications. Thank you so much for watching. You guys have an awesome night and enjoy.